I am going to show you how to use the upgraded navigation in your 2011 Volkswagen. Once you have turned your vehicle on and your system is started, go ahead and select Map on the top right of your screen, and then now you can view your map in 4 different ways. The preset way is in a 3D version, and then you can view it in a topograph, and also 2 different landscape views, one that is with the car and one that is always facing north. You can do this on the button on the bottom left of your screen. Now I am going to show you how to use the zoom in your navigation. Select the button on the bottom right of your screen that shows the feet, and then you can now switch the zoom setting by selecting minus or plus to your desired preference. You can also press the rocket ship on the bottom left of the screen, and then it'll pan out for the directions. If you'd like it to zoom automatically, you can simply press the zoom key and then the magnifying glass with the A. And this will automatically zoom in and out for you for the different nod. If you would like to view the entire route guidance, you can just press the zoom key on the bottom right and then press the flag to the dot, and then it'll zoom throughout the entire route. If you would like to stay updated on traffic information, select the 3D, 2D, or topographic button on the bottom left of your screen, and then select traffic. This will show you the traffic density in your area. If you would like to enter an address for a new destination, you can do so 2 different ways, and that is by pressing the navigation key up here, or the navigation key on the bottom of your screen, and then select Enter New Destination. Once you have done that, select Address, and then enter the city of your choice, the street number, the state, and then click Start, and then route guidance will automatically start.
The route is being calculated.
And then you'll see that directions also appear in your multifunction display. There is also different ways that your route can be calculated, and you can view the different options by selecting the key on the bottom of your screen, and then click Route Options, and you can select the fastest, the shortest, or a mixed route of your choice, and you can select your preferences on the bottom by making sure that Dynamic Route is on, and then by selecting any of these keys, you can avoid freeways, toll roads, excluded roads, ferries, tunnels, and other options. Now once you are in route guidance, you can go ahead and exit the screen and the navigation will continue to give you directions. You can also reach your destination in many other ways, and that is by pressing the navigation button on the bottom, and then enter new destination, and then you'll see that you could either enter the address like we have just done, you can enter an intersection of 2 cross streets, you can go to the city center of any city, you can select places through different categories, you can select the map GPS, which is a latitude longitude point of your choice, you can go to any of your previous destinations here, and then you can go to your address book. First I am going to show you your places. Now this screen brings you to different categories, and you can select through hundreds of categories through here, and then select where you would like to choose. To go back, just hit the button on the top right of your screen, and if you would like to search broadly, just click by name, and then enter your destination, and I'm going to select Volkswagen. And then once you have done so, you can select your search area either nearest you or to a city of your choice, and then just click Start Search. And it will bring up the closest destinations. And once it is done so, the results key will light up, and then all you need to do is select that, and then select the destination of your choice. Once you have selected the destination of your choice, you can either select OK to begin route guidance, or you can click the Save key on the bottom of your screen, and then this will store it through your favorites, which I'll show you later. Now I'm going to show you how to set a destination in your address book. All you need to do is hit Navigation on the bottom of your screen, hit Enter New Destination, and then you can either plug in an address manually, or you can go to any of your previous destinations, and then select the box on the right hand side of your destination, and then just click Save, and you can name this anything you choose, or use the name already given, And then you can also select a category in which you would like to save it as. I am going to choose shopping. And then just simply click save. And you'll see that this is automatically in your address book. And to select that destination, all you need to do
The route is being calculated.
and then route guidance will
Turn
begin.
left now.
Now I am going to show you how to enter your home address. All you need to do is hit navigation on the bottom of your screen, enter new destination, select home, and then you can either select the current position where you're at now if you're in your driveway, or you can select destination input and enter your address. Once you have done so, click OK, and then this will be stored as your home address. To get directions home, all you need to do is hit navigation, enter new destination, and then click home.
The route is being calculated.